Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. In today's video is going to be a very sweet, interesting, lovable one because we're going to be doing a DIY protein treatment with just three main ingredients. So let's get right into this video. All you'll be needing is one avocado, one egg, and what's it called, oil, any oil of your choice. I decided to use Kenny's Naturals hair growth oil, and it contains so many type of oil basically. So if you just have a single type of oil like olive oil, carrot oil, any oil you like, any oil you're comfortable with, it's fine. So what I just did is to match up the avocado. I removed the peel, of course. I cracked my egg inside the mixed avocado, and I gave it a really good mix. And I realized that at some point I began to see lumps, and I don't really like that because it might get stuck into my hair. I have a 4C, a very thick hair, so I don't want all of that to happen. So I had to pour it into my blender, and although I regretted doing this a little, I don't know, but let's just continue. So I put 3 tablespoons of my egg growth oil. Like I said, you can use any oil of your choice. So I blended this combination, and guys, it was so difficult to take off this mixture off this blender because it was just all over the place, and that was my only regret using the blender. So if you have a smaller blender or probably a smoothie maker, it can, it can work better instead of a bigger blender because the mixture wasn't that much, but I was able to, bring out a little sha. So guys, this is how my hair looks like. My hair is really dry. My hair lacks moisture. I've kept my hair a long protective style for over a month, so my hair was just looking here and there. So I sectioned my hair into 4 different parts, and yes, I decided to start adding the mixture of avocado, egg, and all into my hair section by section. You guys understand how we roll, right? So I made sure that every single strand of my hair is getting this treatment because you don't want to leave any stone unturned. Like I actually took my time, dipped my fingers through my hair, and I applied this mixture into my hair, guys. It's, if you're allergic to egg smell, I would advise you wear a mask because at some point I began to feel nauseous because it was, the smell of the egg actually was just something else. But if you're not allergic to, or if you're not, if you don't mind, it's fine. But then I started feeling nauseous at some point. But we move what we do for hair, right? So I applied all of this to my hair, guys. Every part of my hair, and the feeling was amazing. Like, I knew right from when I was applying this that my hair was not going to remain the same again because I could already feel what it's doing. Like, it's instant. It's not like, oh, do this for a couple of months before you see the result. Like, the result was instant, and that's what I like about this treatment. I recommend it 101% if you want to do any protein treatment for your hair. So this is me still basically just doing all of this. I'm going to be dropping and or pinning down some of the benefits in the description box below. Do well to read for yourself what this thing would do for you. And also, I need to say that some people add 1 tablespoon of honey. That is totally optional. If you want to add honey, if you don't have any issue with honey, you can always add honey to your mixture. But I didn't add honey because I don't know. I don't just like honey. So I wrapped this up with a plastic bag, like 2 plastic bags, because I wanted that heating experience. If you have an heating cap, that's totally fine. Then I top it up with my bonnet, of course, and I left it for about 1 hour. I went to do some other stuff, cook and all of that, make dinner. So this is my hair after 1 hour. Guys, you guys don't understand how I was so excited, I was so happy because my hair, now I told you earlier that I was already feeling the vibe of this treatment. My hair was already leaping for joy, and like I said, the smell might be offensive to you. If you don't mind, it's fine, but if you do mind, you can as well wear a mask. So I need to say that I'm advising to use cold water, except you want to fry egg on your hair. Guys, I'm not joking. Don't use warm water or what's it called? or hot water, you would just see hair crumbs on your hair. So use normal water, normal cold water. So I rinsed my hair thoroughly. Then I washed my hair, of course, with shampoo. And the shampoo is, of course, the black soap from Kenny's Naturals. So that's what I use for my shampoo. And like, I would always advise I wash twice, and you want to even wash twice with this process, because I don't know. The smell was still there after the first wash, but after the second wash, I could not even perceive any smell. I'm not even joking. So I washed twice, and then I went ahead with my rinse out conditioner. I need not put this in a plastic bag again, because I had already conditioned my hair with the protein treatment I just did. So I just basically, you know, just I was just vibing in the in the bedroom, basically. I'm waiting for this to, do his work. Hey, go lo lo lo. Hey, lo 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 lo. Down. Hey, hey. So afterwards, I rinsed my hair thoroughly, because this was the end of like everything. I rinsed my hair, and guys, look at the result. Just look at how full this is. Look at how full, how luscious this is. This process is amazing. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment if you would try it, and I'll see you in my next one. I love you, but God loves you more. Mwah.